Yo, incoming, the TNT zombie, your walking explosion. Dude's a kamikaze with a dynamite timer and gas tanks on his back. His only mission, sprint at you and go boom. Tick-tock, you gotta react fast. The boom anim? I tried. You'll make it epic. Imagine the glorious, messy kaboom. He's low poly but packs a live link face for those final manic expressions. Comes with all the basics: idle, walk, run, jump, and a frantic attack. Built on a UE4 skeleton, so retargeting any marketplace animation is a breeze. Fully modular with separate mesh parts. And here's the blast. Get him and you get a second model from the zombie pack for free. Details below. Don't wait, this offer might explode. He's not an enemy, he's a ticking deadline.